Millions of individuals and professionals are using Microsoft Office. It's one of the top softwares used by companies globally. Regardless of industry, prepare your learners, candidates, or employees to achieve ultimate productivity, confidence, and increased success with Microsoft Office Specialist certification. Microsoft Office Specialist is the only official Microsoft-recognized certification that validates skills in Microsoft 365 apps and Microsoft Office 2019. It's created by Certiport, a division of Pearson VUE, the renowned global leader in education. This provides confidence that each certification is recognized worldwide. These certifications go beyond simple testing, with live in the application project-based questions which test candidates on how they utilize the software in real-world scenarios. This confirms they can effectively and efficiently utilize the full features and functionality of the Microsoft Office software. The program offers multiple levels of certification, including Microsoft Office Specialist Associate and Microsoft Office Specialist Expert, unlocking the power of stackable credentials. For each certification earned, candidates will receive a globally recognized certificate. They'll also receive a Credly badge that can be shown to employers and shared on professional platforms, including LinkedIn. The certification is backed by the American Council on Education, or ACE, allowing students to earn college credit. It is endorsed by organizations and businesses around the world. Additionally, Certiport is the ultimate skilling company, providing a complete pathway of learning products, practice tests, and an advanced delivery system called Compass. This guarantees candidates and institutions have access to all the resources necessary for certification and career success.
That's a fantastic experience for students today to be able to learn these programs, these skills, while they're in a school environment that's going to have direct application to their future work.
Being certified in MOS gives the employee a lot of self-confidence that they can do whatever the job is more effectively.
Ready to get started? Visit certiport.com/MOS.